subscribe, and let's get started. Excuse my tan, please. Please excuse my tan. I went to the islands. You guys. Please excuse this tan. Hey beautiful, it's me, Jazz Beautiful Hair. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started on a really epic video that I wanted to bring to you all today. Y'all like this new little hair? I like it. All right, before we use our beauty product, you guys want to know exactly what I have on my face. So to begin, I cleanse my face with Dermalogica products that you can purchase for any Ulta Cosmetic, beauty cosmetic store in your neighborhood. And I also use the skin smoothing cream. So the skin smoothing cream is so great to me. I love to use the skin smoothing cream on my skin prior to doing makeup applications because it brings so much moisture into the skin. Another thing is you always want to moisturize your skin prior to applying makeup, and also you want to cleanse your skin really well. I use Neutrogena makeup removal wipes to cleanse my skin every night and take the makeup off, and I also use Dermalogica cleansing cream along with their skin smoothing cream, and it works very well. If you guys want to take a look at my skin, ooh, we got lights. All right, so yeah, take a look at my skin. This is a product I use mostly every day on my skin. If you want a review on the products that I use to cleanse my skin with and everything, just comment below and I'll be welcome to give that to you. And let's get started. Fenty Beauty is run by Rihanna, my girl. And Rihanna girl, I am waiting for you to drop a album or a baby. Can I get an album or a baby? Please give me an album or a baby. I've been waiting all my life for an album from you, and girl, I'm still listening to the same album you dropped about 4 years ago, you know, in 2016. Well, maybe that was 3 years ago. I did purchase another Fenty product, and guess what it was, y'all? What y'all think it was? How can I not? They said it's the best of the best. What y'all think it is? Can you guess what it is? Let me stop playing. So I did purchase the Fenty Beauty Concealer. This is a number 330. This has been known so far from the reviews I saw other people use as the best product, the best concealer. And y'all know I'm a fan for my Shape Tape Concealer. That's my favorite concealer. So when this came out, I was just like, okay, I have to have it, right? And I can already tell you guys, I know some differences that I see with my Shape Tape with this from using. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. Let's do one side Fenty, let's do one side Shape Tape, okay? Y'all ready? Let's do this. I'm going to actually use the applicator to apply it under my eye, and it goes on so smoothly. Look how that has no lines in it, how smooth it goes on. One thing I would say about this product, that it feels so smooth. Like if I go over this with my brush, it is just so smooth. It's very creamy, and it also is like, it moves really well. You don't have to like really stroke and stroke and stroke the product. It will do exactly what you tell it, okay? Whereas the other products, you kind of have to manipulate them, all right? So let's go ahead and compare this to my Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. And you see the amount of product that went on my eye compared to the Fenty product. It was just enough. And I do say I like a product that you can build up, that you don't have to like build down. So that means that less product goes on your face at one time, and you can actually apply more if needed. So alright, so here's the finished look for both sides. Now here's my thing. I didn't use a sponge to even blend the Fenty Beauty cosmetic, but you see how more brighter the actual Shape Tape came out, and it was so much more concealing. I literally did the exact same thing for both sides. Just opened the applique, pulled it out once, and just applied and applied. Now this side has so much more makeup, it will take me more time to actually perfect it and blend it the way it should. Also, yeah, it just went left on this side with my Shape Tape. Now I'm not downing Tarte at all because I love Tarte products, but this is a comparison video, so I have to be very honest. The winner for the brow concealer between Rihanna Fenty and Shape Tape Concealer would be Rihanna. I have to give it to you, girl. I love that I only had to apply this once, and then also didn't have to really go over much more with any other product. So also that just with any other brushes like my blending or my sponge, and that saves me time. Concealer, it's time to compare under eyes concealer. And I'm gonna go 1, 2, y'all see how that applies, 3, okay. Now we're gonna grab our Shape Tape and do the same. And see how this blends out. That kind of blend out pretty well. Press that into the skin around the edges. It says it's supposed to be crease free. Let's see. Overall, I'm coming out looking good. So far, what I noticed is my Shape Tape brings a lighter tone to my face, and it could be the actual color that was sold to me. So, but the Fenty, it just looks so like, it looks like I don't have any makeup on really. Like if you guys are going for that look where it's like, I want to look natural, just make me look like I have no makeup on, which I hate that people say, you might want to purchase Fenty Beauty cosmetics because you see that it still gives you glam, but not too much that it's just like over the top glam. But if you move over to this side of my face, you could tell that I have like pow pow pow, right? Yes, I do. And I'll do a full face using my Fenty as well, just so you guys can see how it looks when I do a full face with it. Alright, beauty, so you guys see the different looks and the different sides of my face. I do not have on any what is it called? I do not have on any eyeshadow. I do not have on any setting sprays. Let me go ahead and actually setting spray my face. And I use Mario Badescu. And I use a hell of it. And this side is the Fenty Beauty. And of course, you guys, it looks like I don't have on any makeup, right? And I think that's what Rihanna was going for with the Fenty. Like, if you have so many different shades of Fenty that you can go into the store, you can purchase, and you can actually get this really highlighted look. I went for the more natural Fenty, like the more everyday Fenty look. And I can't wait to do an everyday Fenty look with you all. I should stop fanning this shit. So I really think Rihanna was going for a more natural look, something that you could play with. Now, if you look at this product on this side of my face, excuse my bangs. If you look at the Fenty product on the right side of my face, which is the right side, it gives you a more natural look, right? You got a more natural look where you can just go outside, go to work, go to the grocery store, and still be fierce. So it really depends on what you're going for. I don't knock any of the products that I've used so far because those are some of the top products that I use, and I am so happy to add Fenty Beauty products to my collection. I'm also going to go ahead and grab some more concealers so we can get it popping and bring that highlight to the face. Just as you guys like this review, subscribe.